Hello and welcome to our video on how to use live chat to improve customer satisfaction. Live chat is a valuable tool for business to connect with their customers in a real time and provide instant support. It can help businesses to improve their customer services and enhance the overall customer experience. In this video, we'll discuss the benefit of using live chat in customer services and how you can use it to improve customer satisfaction. Now we are going to discuss the benefit of using live chat in customer services. Live chat provides instant support to customers and help them getting their queries resolved quickly. Live chat is a cost-effective solution for businesses as it doesn't require any additional hardware or software. Live chat enables customer support representatives to handle multiple chats simultaneously, increasing productivity and reducing wait times for a customer. Live chat transcript provide a valuable insight into customer behavior, preferences, and pinpoint, which can be used to improve the overall customer experience. How to use live chat to improve customer satisfaction? Yeah, there is some points there, how you can improve customer satisfaction. Place the live chat button promptly on your website so that customer can easily find it. Use automated greeting to welcome customers and initiative the chat process. This helps reduce response times and improve the overall customer experience. Use the customer's name in the chat and tailor your response their specific query. This helps to create personalized experience for the customer. Respond to customer queries promptly and avoiding making them wait for long periods of a time. This helps to build trust and confidence in your business. Train your customer support representatives on how to use live chat effectively and provide excellent customer service. This will help to ensure that the customer experience is consistently positive. Live chat is a powerful tool for business to improve their customer services and enhance the overall customer experience by making it easily accessible, using automated greeting, personalized interaction, providing timely response, and training your staff. You can use live chat to improve customer satisfaction and building long-lasting relationships with your customer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Okay, bye bye.